So one thing to mention, if we go into checkout, into the cart is using the quantity button that we defined with the template. So if we are getting any sorts of incompatibilities, like, you know, maybe the cart, the quantity button that we defined here for single page view doesn't really work for the cart, then we can, on the single page view, we can define, let's just do it, okay? Why talk if we can do it? So let's open single product, and then here where we define the quantity, we could use a variant, and we can't use variant name just for the quantity, we have to use it for the whole add to cart section. So, but let's try. I don't know, special, and then also here where we have a single, we can also use special so that the correct names will be used between these two templates. Okay, let's export. Now let's check the page. Oh yeah, one more thing that's quite important. So let's take a look at the exported files. So originally we exported the quantity input in global, and now we changed that and exported quantity input special. But exporting quantity input special did not delete the previous quantity input. So if we want to really kind of get rid of the templates that are not really used or exported in our project, then we can go here, WordPress, clear the theme folder. And be careful, because this will delete the content of the theme folder, and if you did any manual edits there, that will be lost. So in that case, don't do that. But as a best practice, you should not do any modifications directly in the exported folder. All the changes should be done in the source project. Even any custom PHP files that you add to the project, they should be added in the source project and then exported to the export folder. And that's the reason why. Otherwise, it's easy to lose such kind of customizations. So okay, we didn't do that. We didn't do any modifications there, so we can clear the folder and export the theme. And if we now check the files, the quantity input is gone, so we just have the special. And now in the browser, you see this is our quantity field. Let's reload. And now we have default WooCommerce quantity field. And let's check if our add to cart is working properly. And our single product page uses our custom quantity input. So in this way we can solve the conflict if we have it. But in general, we should just stick to normal templates, and we should only define variants if necessary. We don't want to create too many variants, because then this makes our project more complex. But this is a way how to handle a scenario where our custom quantity input would not be compatible with the cart display.